Welcome back to another adequate unboxing video. Today we have the Fred movers and shakers. Self-shaking, agitation animatic, and this is to pull the cord, so we'll check that out. Twist and pull to open, pull cord to start shaking. Genuine Fred. Don't know what that means. Well, let's crack into it. Okay. And, oh, we are close here. Got most of my right hand's fingers in there, so that's good. That is mostly open. Alright, we've got a pepper, a salt, and that's it. Okay, let's get this plastic off. So I think I just gotta unscrew the top. Oh, is it a lefty? Open. Okay, got some salt here. I'm just gonna put a few cups into here. Ooh. Oh, okay. Let's put this cap back on and test this shaker. Alright. Alright, we're almost there. I don't know why this has to get pulled so far and it stays out. So I guess I'm just going to keep pulling it. I don't know what's happening. This is out, I think, as far as it can possibly go. Okay, so I don't know what happened, but this is now just out forever. So this one seems to work. I tried it off camera. I'm only going to do this once because I don't like it.